question. A 13-year-old boy presents with several light brown macules measuring 4 to 5 centimeters located on his trunk. He has no other medical conditions, but his mother has similar skin findings. He takes no medications and his vital signs are within normal limits. Ophthalmic examination findings are shown in the image below, okay, which is what you see over here. All these, brownish nodules that you see, okay. And they've also mentioned that the patient has several light brown macules measuring 4 to 5 centimeters located on his trunk that points towards cafe au lait spots. So Lish nodules, cafe au lait spots, think of neurofibromatosis type 1, okay. And the fact that his mother also has it just shows that, it runs in the family, just points towards, the mode of inheritance. So most of you got this right. It is neurofibroma. Okay, acoustic neuroma associated with neurofibromatosis type 2, not 1. And usually they will not have Lish nodules. Okay, so with that said, you can rule it out. In fact, none of them will present with Lish nodules. So meningioma, dermatofibroma, these two will not have any ophthalmological findings anyway. So with that said, we can just rule it out. The last one is retinoblastoma. You will not see Lish nodules. If they're expecting you to, arrive at a diagnosis of retinoblastoma, they will definitely have mentioned what is leukocoria, which is essentially the white pupillary reflex. Normally, what you'll see is a red reflex, but in the case of retinoblastoma, okay, because of the tumor growing from the retina, the red reflex will be lost and it will appear whitish, okay. This is not the only cause of leukocoria. There are a few other causes, but just remember, correlate retinoblastoma with leukocoria, okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.